In India's finest jewelry manufacturing units, we celebrate precision, automation, and mass production. But behind the glitz, there is a hidden and silent drain.
Gold loss begins where precision begins, during everyday filing and finishing operations. The finest particles are often too light to be captured, silently traveling into air conditioning ducts and ventilation systems.
The same invisible dust clings to hands and factory floors, before quietly disappearing into wastewater and routine cleaning.
Some particles never reach the refinery. They leave the factory with the people who created them. Each particle seems insignificant. Together, they become a hidden financial drain. Even world-class refining systems cannot recover the gold that never reaches them. The solution is not better refining alone. It begins by trapping gold where it is first released. Recovering what was once invisible can transform hidden losses into measurable profit.
When gold prices reach historic highs, every invisible particle deserves attention. The silent drain can become your next source of profit.